owning any amount of Bitcoin is better than owning no Bitcoin. I think you guys would probably agree with that. And for somebody who doesn't know anything about Bitcoin, I think that owning some Bitcoin on Coinbase is better. It's less bad than owning no Bitcoin. Surely you would agree with that. But there's a learning curve for everything, whether it comes to diet, nutrition, medicine, health, Bitcoin, everything. There's a learning curve. And the only way to get more people to buy Bitcoin is to meet them where they are. And I think that's very important for anybody in the Bitcoin space, whether you're talking to your dad, trying to get your dad to own some Bitcoin, or your next door neighbor or a good friend. You can't talk to them in the language that you currently understand, because they don't understand that. Understanding Bitcoin is a huge paradigm shift, because the average person thinks that the US dollar is the ultimate store of value. It's an irrational belief, and it's a false belief, but it is currently their belief. And that doesn't make them an idiot. For a long damn time, for decades, that's been absolutely the truth. Or at least it was true enough that it would get you by, right?